Don't worry, Gabs. Sabi ng doktor magiging okay ka daw. I'm so sorry, Gabs. I'm so sorry. Hindi ko alam kung talaga nandito ka ba talaga. Hindi ko alam kung totoo yung sinasabi ni Gabs.